How to connect PayPal to eBay. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now if you navigate through the PayPal page or the eBay page, there is no direct way on how you can go ahead and connect both of your accounts on both platforms. But today we are going to demonstrate to you Zapier. Once you're inside their website, you can just go ahead and proceed to register to an account. Right after that, you can just go ahead and click on the templates right here, and inside you want to navigate through the browse all templates. From here you can just go ahead and click on the search icon at the top of our screen, and from here you want to click on, or you want to search on PayPal. Now once inside PayPal, you can now go ahead and search for the second application, which is eBay. Right after that, you can just click on the button connect these apps, and now you will be taken to the editor page right here. Now you can just go ahead and select an event. From here we have the all merchandise transaction. I'm going to proceed with the all merchandise transactions right here. And for the second one, we have our eBay. You can just go ahead and click on one of these action events right here. And lastly, you then have to connect your eBay account and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.